The major sponsors. Now we see them first of all in the Mirror Pass. So there is Pete Wells the right way up in Twister 1 and Guy Westgate above him, upside down in the Mirror Pass in Twister 2. So there he rolls the right way up and they go into a wing over to change the direction of the display. So there they are. Interesting wing shape, very much like the Spitfire. So barrel roll, 3 barrel rolls to the right. And you can see those colours of the aircraft. Those are the colours of the Scottish Widows Investment Partnership, cyan and blue. That's the second barrel roll. I think we'll see a third. There they go, in line astern formation.
Swing over into a barrel roll going. Roger. Come in nicely.
So the wing over has changed the direction for them, and
barrel roll to the right.
they're going to do another barrel roll, and then I expect a quarter clover to change the direction of the display. They seem to rather like these barrel rolls.
Quarter clover to the right. Pitching. Go.
Here comes the quarter clover. So watch it as they go up and over the top and on the way down. You see that they've actually changed the direction, so they're now going away from us.
Down clover brake.
So they're going to pull up another clover and watch for the brake and the brake call as they come over the top.
Brake. Go.
And they split apart.
4-point roll. Go.
Now they're doing synchronized aerobatics. They're doing a 4-point roll as they go out.
Going now. I'm going now.
And they're going up into half Cuban maneuvers so that they will do this half figure of 8 as they get into the down line, rolling out. And they're now heading back towards each other. And as they cross over, let's see what they'll do next. Pulling up. Quarter roll as they go up. And stall turns at the top. Speed very low, and they put the rudder in. And they're now going back in the same direction again. And they're pulling up into synchronized half Cuban maneuvers. So they come over the top and roll out on the way down. Now the next time. So now they pull up into synchronized loops, and as they get at the top, there's the flick maneuver, making that into an avalanche, and they should end up upside down and complete the rest of the loop. Half Cubans at the other end now, I suspect.
And I'm going
So those half Cubans on the way down. And now they're going to do what they call hamster loops, following each other round the loop. The plan is for them to get roughly opposite each other in the loop, but I think they're slightly ahead of that. And lots of rolling going on there.
I'm going now.
So synchronized pull-ups at either end. One on the right, doing that half Cuban.
Yeah, I got you.
Heading towards each other. So there, the two of them looping in opposite directions, and let's see what they do. They're in contact with each other. That's the join-up loop. They're now back into formation, going the same way. Now as they come back after that line of stern wing over, this is the corkscrew pass. Pete Wells is upside down. Guy Westgate is rolling round his wake. Bear in mind that these brilliant little aircraft are home built. Very economical on fuel.
Back in for a barrel roll into the quarter clover. Give me this one, give me some.
There you go, the barrel roll first and then the quarter clover coming next.
Coming in, coming in. I'm in. Barrel roll to the right. Go.
Guy calling I'm in there, meaning he's tucked in behind Pete, who can't see him because he's behind and below him, but very tight as you can see.
I'm in. Quarter clover to the right. Pitching, go.
Quarter clover again, changing the direction of the display. So they're going away from us on what's generally known in the trade as the B axis. They'll do a half Cuban on the B axis, so we'll see them pull up, and then as they come back towards us over the top, they'll roll out. And this sets them up for their final maneuver, which you may not be surprised to hear is, I suspect, going to be a heart maneuver.
I'm in. Accelerating.
See, they rolled out of the half Cuban.
Pitching. Go. Smoke on brake. Go.
There's the start of the heart as they go over the top and down the side. And it joins up at the bottom, smoke off, and that just leaves that heart hanging in the sky. And that is the end of the SWIP team. A beautiful, lovely little display from Pete Wells and Guy West.